Well, guys, today is the day we say goodbye to the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Well, sort of not really. We're heading to CarMax now. They're gonna give us a quote, like an appraisal thing. I have an appointment. We're gonna go ahead and head there and see what they're gonna give us for the Jeep with all the mods and everything on it. Nothing taken off, of course. I'll try and record the whole process. Hopefully they don't get mad at me, because if they do, I'm still gonna record anyways.
Stop the cap.
But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you do click that subscribe button down below to be notified when new videos go live.
2 very boring minutes later.
So hopefully CarMax gives me something good today for this, I guess, because the upside down gas handle kind of getting a little bit old. Online in my previous video, they gave me like 30, almost 31,000, I think, was their offer, like 30,600. So we'll see how that matches to what they actually give me now a few days later, a week or so later, and we'll see if we get something better, because I'm kind of over this. But then again, if I get the Daytona 392, is it going to do the same thing with the gas fill up, because it's Mopar, and you know, maybe it's just a Mopar issue? I don't know, we'll see. But for now, just gonna put a little gas in, just a little bit. All right, before I head in here, guys, I want you guys to let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think that it's going to get appraised for, or what they're gonna offer me for the trade-in. I bet you they're gonna try and scam me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Online it said about 30,600, just a little below 31. A couple other online offers were very similar and close to that $31,000 mark. Remember, I paid $29,000 for it when I bought it, and since I've put about 5,000 to 8,000 miles on it, somewhere in that area. So let me know in the comment section down below. Obviously, this is taking into account every mod still on the vehicle, but we're gonna go ahead and run in here and get this set up. Hopefully they let me record and don't throw a fit about it, because if they do,
10 seconds later.
Not recording you right now, are you?
am I not allowed to?
No.
Then yeah, I'm all set then.
Okay, is it off?
No, it's
Oh, you don't need appraisal then?
Yeah, no, I'll just not do it then.
Okay.
Yeah. I have no idea where this is going to be in the video, if I'm going to put it at the start or the end. So yeah, I'm just kind of here. I'm going to go meet up with my friends again at that sand dune spot where they got stuck. We're going to have a little bit more fun. That way I can complete this vlog, because as you guys may see at the beginning, or maybe it's after this, I don't know, but you probably clicked on the video because of the CarMax Karen. So yeah, the CarMax Karen didn't let me get an appraisal on my Jeep. So heck, CarMax, we're just going to go ahead and finish out the vlog in the Jeep here and go where we need to go and do what we need to do, I guess. Hey, look, he's not stuck this time. Wow. So far, all right. He put some air out of the tires this time. We'll see if that helps him. But I mean, he made it all the way down here, so maybe he's gonna get stuck again. Moneybagg Yo here, as someone mentioned in the comments. Yo, y'all are funny as f for that. Whoever said that he looked like Moneybagg Yo, that is funny as f.
I got time today.
Yo, he made it all the way down here today though, so I guess he does got time today. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we got the normal Jeeps out here that we're gonna do the same old kind of thing, but we're gonna get better footage this time. He's not gonna f up the drone or whatever happened last time, and it's gonna be some lit content. And I'm gonna rip it and send it again. Maybe we'll flip it today. Maybe we'll jump it. We'll see what's gonna happen. There's some other people on dirt bikes and ATVs, but yeah, maybe we'll jump it today. Who knows?
There's a lot of grip over here. That's nice. That's nice.
To LA with it, NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead, make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Like
all right, so hopefully some of these clips got put in the video from the drone, because that's pretty much all that was recording. My GoPro is probably dead, so yeah, hopefully that was recording. But I really am just beating the hell out of his Jeep. You know, I said I was gonna drive it like I stole it, and I think I've lived up to that. So yeah, he's gonna try and send it. Moneybagg Yo is gonna try and send it in his Jeep again, so hopefully he doesn't get stuck, because if he does, then that'll be kind of funny actually. So yeah, guys, hopefully I got some decent footage from this video to put in with that CarMax Karen video, because like I said, it was pretty Karen-y. And like I said, there's 1,000 videos on YouTube of people going and doing that. So it kind of sucks that my location's like that. And like I said, I've had like 3 poor experiences with that location. So overall, it's just heck CarMax for me. They overpriced their vehicles anyway. So yeah, hopefully I added a little bit of fun to this video and mixed it up a little bit. And hopefully he doesn't get stuck because he's about to whip past right about now. And yeah, hopefully he doesn't get stuck because we're gonna see. I'm in 4 high in this thing. So he's in 2, obviously. So we'll see what's gonna happen with him. Obviously, that's why I want him to go first, so that if he gets stuck, then at least I can maybe try and help this time. Maybe. We'll see. The drone up there again.
No big proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just for me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wife, you want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, this how we ride.
Let's see if Moneybagg Yo broke something, because my camera is covered in dirt. I probably broke my camera. But it's fine, guys. It's only a lot of money into a camera to do these YouTube videos. But we got 10K subs now, so if we break it, you know, we gotta go harder every time anyway. Yo, Moneybagg, you break anything?
I heard something pop on that last turn. I think I'm good. Probably just my sway bar link. This broke from last time. See it? There's like no rubber gasket left.
He said, I think it's fine. That's tough. It's just gonna go into limp mode. Surprised this thing isn't in limp mode after I just drove the oh my god, dude. All right, he made it this time. He didn't get stuck at all, so that's good. It's a W for it. Wait, I can't make a yeah, it's a W for him this time though. And then obviously it might have a little bit of dust everywhere, and but yeah, you know, it's fine. You know, he didn't do it, so it's not his fault, and then it has a warranty, right? So I think it's fine. So that's probably going to close out the video there, guys. I do want to thank you guys for 10,000 subscribers because I finally hit it, and it's a great milestone. I'm going to be having a video in the next few weeks. I'm just waiting on one thing, and then I'll be having a good video for the 10K subscriber special. So that's going to be coming, so make sure you look out for that. But thank you guys for that. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button down below. Help the YouTube algorithm have this video get out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. Of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch, which will be having a big drop at 10K once the 10K video comes out, but I'll update you guys in the next video about that. But that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
I feel like I am losing